Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Bybit and navigating to security. You must have Google Authenticator installed on your phone. Open it now. On Bybit, select Enable Two-Factor Authentication and choose Google Authenticator. Once prompted, reveal the 16-digit backup key and copy it exactly. Write it down on paper and store it safely. Make sure to keep the device and backup key within reach, because you will scan or manually enter this key into the app in the next step. You now connect Bybit with Google Authenticator. In the app, tap the plus icon and choose Scan QR Code. Point your camera at Bybit's code. If scanning fails, choose Manual Entry and type the 16-digit key exactly as shown. Once added, wait for the first 6-digit rotating code to appear. The timer shows how long it's valid. Make sure to use that current code back on Bybit's confirmation field so the platform can verify the connection. You finish by verifying the link between Bybit and Google Authenticator. Enter the active 6-digit code from the app into Bybit and submit. You should see confirmation immediately. Once done, make sure to store the 16-digit backup key in 2 secure places, offline and encrypted if possible. If something goes wrong, use the backup key to restore codes on a new device or follow Bybit's account recovery flow. Keep ID and account details handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.